Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Jaguar 2 litre diesel R Sport. Lovely frenzy red. Just arrived. The wheels are going to be fully refurbished. They will look amazing. The bodywork's in superb condition. Got the reverse camera, park distance control, twin exhausts. Lovely red black leather interior, electric windows, electric mirrors. Inside the car, only done 72,962 miles. Just start it up. Got paddle shift for the gearbox if you want. Cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, different driving modes, reverse camera. Satellite navigation, heated seats, 3-stage, drivers and passengers. In lovely condition. Aux and a USB, climate control. A very comprehensive service history. Just going to have an MOT. At DJH or full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.